Hey guys, welcome to Homestead, and today we're going to be talking about dandelions. Are they good? Are they bad? Welcome back, guys. So today I saw my first set of dandelions coming up, and it made me think about something. A couple questions that I hear and about people spraying their lawns and killing these guys. And I thought, well, you know, maybe they don't know how beneficial they really are. So we're going to talk about that today. So for number one, this plant is totally edible. From the leaf to the flower to the stem to the root. And it is a medicinal plant. It is full of antioxidants. It is a detox, and it makes a heck of a tea. There's a lot of the high-end dollar teas out there that has this little guy in it. But that's only half of it. Because dandelion is also rich in calcium. And it also, because of their long main root, it is good for opening up and aerating the soil, and also brings that calcium from that's deep in the ground up to the top. Now if you see a lot of these around your area, you're lacking in calcium, and the dandelion is trying to get that for you. So there's a sign right there that your plant or your yard or your garden, if there's a lot of dandelions in it, it could be lacking calcium. The other good thing about this little plant is that it makes a really good non-caffeinated coffee. The root is amazing. So as this plant in the fall time goes and gets everything, all its nutrients back down into the root, it makes a really good coffee. And the teas is at the time of that. So if you want to harvest the root, it's the fall time is when you want to do it. But if you think about the calcium aspect of that in our gardens and in our areas that we plant, if we see the dandelion, that's telling us that because it's really hard to go get a soil test. Well, it isn't hard, but it just takes time. And this guy's telling us that, hey, you're low on calcium. So that's really good to know. The other thing is the aeration. So as that big taproot goes down and drills down into the ground and gets that all loosened up and gets that aerated up, and it allows that compact. So there's the other telltale sign, is that if you see a lot of these in your area, you have a compact soil. You got a hard soil. It's trying to loosen it up for you. And they're just, so you can, things you can make with these is we can make dandelion jelly. We can make dandelion wine. We can make dandelion butter. And these flowers, these heads right here, are completely edible. Now the leaf right here, fresh leaf here, this is completely edible. And the best time to get the leaves is in the springtime, like right now, because they're not bitter at all. They're really good. And when we have in a pasture, we have lots of dandelions out there, and they're really nice. They're twice the size of these by the house here. They're so sweet, so good. Really good for you, really good tasting. And if you guys haven't seen the dandelion jelly video, go check that out. That is super good. But I just wanted you guys to give you that little aspect of this. Should you keep this around the house or not? And this thing tells you what's going on with your property, your gardens, your beds, everything like that. And the nutritional value is That is why they call a dandelion a superfood. So I just wanted to get that out there because I know it's springtime. Everybody's spraying their grasses, they're getting grass cut, and they're doing all that stuff. Well, this little guy is trying to help you out. So you guys all, once again, take care. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see here, please hit the subscribe and share. And if you're not subscribed to us, think about it. You guys all take care. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.